Twisted Metal is one of the first video game franchise that I ever played. Twisted Metal Black on the PS2 to be exact. I was hoping that Sony would make a brand new Twisted Metal game on the PS5. Please Sony, make that happen. But it is cool nonetheless to see it as a TV show series on Peacock. Today, I am super proud and excited to unbox an exclusive VIP Twisted Metal mini refrigerator with some goodies. I wish I can go back in time and just pat my younger self in the back and just say, man, you did it, kid. And you know what, looking at this packaging, it reminds me of Twisted Metal Black Unlock and Axle with the chambers and the cranes, and it released the package down. This is a real refrigerator, not that Xbox mini refrige, but here's how it looks side by side comparison. No competition, and it's a lot cooler. You have a fridge and a freezer. Yeah, it pales in comparison. Yo, this is absolutely sick. You got the Twisted Metal Brandon Peacock original. Okay. And even taking a look inside on the top.
20 years ago.
They're playing the trailer. But when you slide that portion out, you're presented with an ice tray, an ice pick, and you can actually charge up the screen there. And then on the bottom, you're presented with a Twisted Metal box. This is where the ice cream is presented. Space right now. And honestly, the ice cream, I'm in a huge diet right now. I'm trying to eliminate sugar right now. I'm going to the gym heavy. I'm eating fruits, vegetables. So I'm trying my best not to eat any sweets, the hardest I can. So seeing this package here, it makes things a little bit more harder to avoid it. But I want to know how the ice cream tastes. And it also came with a ice cream scooper Twisted Metal theme. So this is like a perfect snack to have while you're watching the Twisted Metal show. I'm about to talk about the show in a little bit. And I'm actually pretty amazed on how relatively cool it stayed. Because right now it's 94 degrees outside, and there is a light on the bottom, which the Xbox doesn't have a light. But there's no light on the freezer side. You even have a letter from Sweet Tooth, the man himself. Okay, so it's a letter. I might even have to have you guys pause it and read it for yourself. He said, yo, from one sweet tooth to another, you look like someone who values top shelf entertainment. Want to see a show? Now fans of mine from my PlayStation days may think I'm talking about a big flashy show in Las Vegas. But that's not a half bad guess. But no, this is somehow even better. On Thursday, July 27th, all 10 episodes of Peacock's original series, Twisted Metal, will debut. And boy, I cannot wait for you to see it. Which, by the way, I saw it early. I was also invited to Manhattan. I think this was like Tuesday I was invited. Yeah, that was a Tuesday. And yeah, man, you just feel so exclusive, VIP access, and I even have like I even did like a little mini vlog of it, showing what's inside, and I gotta say, that show is pretty awesome. More about that in a little bit, but the jacket, this is the jacket that I have on from, this is the Twisted Metal jacket. It's just a bomber jacket, and honestly, it's just a regular jacket. It's nothing, no brand of Twisted Metal whatsoever, but if you look at it very closely, it says straight from hell. right? Did it say straight from hell? Oh, straight to hell. It says straight to hell. You even have a custom zipper here too as well. And even the main zipper, you even have branding of Twisted Metal. And on the back of it, you have Peacock. But that's basically it. The bomber jacket fits me perfect. It's actually, like I said, 94 degrees outside, but I just wanted to have some respect and wear the jacket. Looks badass to say the least. But one thing weird about this jacket, I think is reversible. Cause look, inside is this like this green. When you reverse it the other way, you have that same zipper. You have that same zipper right here. Then you even have like a little pocket. And then you even have the main pocket too. I don't know, man. I think this could be, you could get away with this. I think you could get away with this. But looking at this and just wearing this right now, I'm feeling hot. But no pun intended. So inside on the side, you have your Twisted Metal bag here. Oh, and something is actually inside this bag. We're gonna unbox that. Oh. Okay, so you have your, what is this? You have some air fresheners. Okay, makes sense. All right, Twisted Metal. What else? What's inside? I have no idea what this is. This look like an ice pick. What is this? This look like a, like, you trapped inside your car. This is like a glass breaker. I guess that's what that is. Holy smokes! Is this a taser? Hold up. Oh, it's a flashlight. Okay. I actually should keep that in my car, come to think about it. And yeah, and you also, of course, have the Twisted Metal branding on the bag itself, or the pouch, really. But one thing I say, I'm going to take this off. It's just way too hot. I'm just honored to give you guys this unboxing. I don't know if anybody else on YouTube unboxed this fridge. And for doing this channel for a decade, I started this channel in 2013. It's literally the best thing I've ever done. And I've been on YouTube even longer than this, but it's a dream come true nonetheless. And just playing my first video game to like now unboxing this exclusively, wow, dreams really do come true when you work hard at it. And talking about the show is actually pretty dang good. It was free snacks at the theater. We had like a live reaction, everybody like laughing, and the seats were comfortable, it was reclining. And I'm not gonna spoil it on this video. You can look at the Rotten Tomatoes, you can look at the Metacritic. It's actually pretty good. Now, it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea. For someone who grew up playing Twisted Metal, seeing Shadow, seeing Sweet Tooth, seeing all the characters and seeing all the references, it makes it even better. And I think that's just the nostalgia, or just the attention to details. That's like comparing the Super Mario movie. There's a lot of references on that movie that you kind of enjoy that movie a little bit more. But this Twisted Metal is one of those shows where once you watch one, you want to watch the next one and the next one and the next one. I didn't finish watching it just yet. I am gonna watch it tonight or after this video. I actually gotta go soon, but it's a pretty damn good show. I'm not saying all this that they paid me. This is not even a sponsored video. They just gifted me with this refrigerator. And actually, if you look right there, that's where the fridge is at. I don't even know where to put it exactly. I was even thinking about putting it in my closet, to be honest, but I don't know. It's there in the background. And the fridge, to be honest, is not the most special fridge. It's basically an insignia Best Buy brand mini refrigerator that you can get, but it's just heavily themed with Twisted Metal. It's basically like paying homage to my first ever video game, and it's incorporated as a merchandise. That's exactly what it is. I want to thank PlayStation, and I want to thank Sony, especially Sony, man. Sony is going crazy. They countless amount of support going towards the channel. And Peacock, thank you guys so much for believing in my content. So yeah, so that pretty much concludes today's video. That is an exclusive unboxing of the Twisted Metal TV show Peacock mini refrigerator. Until next time, I hope you all have a simple day. Peace.